Hi, boys and girls. Today, I would like to introduce you to an addition fact wheel. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that is. This is what an addition fact wheel looks like. What we do is we look at the number in the middle of the circle. Right now it says 6 plus, and then we choose one of these numbers to add to it. So if I choose this number here, 6 plus 8, I would write the answer of 14 on the outside of the wheel. If I choose a different number, again, I start in the middle of the circle and I say 6 plus 6, and that equals 12. So I have a starting number in the middle of the circle. I have numbers that I add to it, and then I put the answers on the outside. This is what a fact wheel looks like. Go ahead and pause the video. Take some time to make your own fact wheel in your notebook. And I would like you to show your fact wheel to another person and see if they can solve a couple of your facts for you. If you're having trouble making your own fact wheel, you can look at what I do. First, we start with a smaller circle in the middle, and we put an addend in the middle of it. So let's say we do 5 plus. Then we want to draw a circle, a big circle, around the little circle. We want to section it off into different parts. This reminds me of a game board, and then you flick something and it lands on another something. It reminds me of that. So you have your addend in the middle, and then what you do is you put random numbers. It doesn't matter what numbers you put, but you put those around. So you could put 15, 8, 7, 10, 2, 16, 20, 100, 30. There are lots of different numbers that I could put in my fact wheel. So once I have this set up, all I need to do is work on solving my problems. 5 plus 10 is 15. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 15 is 20. So this is what you do with a fact addition wheel. Today, boys and girls, is our exploration day, and one more thing that we are going to explore besides the addition fact wheel, we are going to be looking at page 67 in your Home Links book. On page 67 in your Home Links book, you are going to practice looking at different combinations of coins and writing the total amount. If I am looking at number 1, I see a penny, a dime, another penny, a dime, and another dime. So I've got 3 dimes and 3 pennies. Now, these are not in order at all from largest to smallest. That's one thing that you could do. You could rewrite these and put these in order. You could write 3 dimes and then 3 pennies at the top of the problem, and then count 10, 20, 30, and then count by ones, 31, 32, 33. Or if you don't feel like you need to do that, start with your dimes and then count your pennies as you see them on the page. For number 2, we're looking at pennies, dimes, nickels, and more pennies. Remember, your coins actually give you some help, some clues if you look at the words. This one here on the back, it says 1 cent. And because it says 1 cent, I know that that's a penny. On the back of a dime, it says 1 dime. I know that a dime is 10 cents. And then on the back of a nickel, remember the nickel is just a little bit bigger than those other coins. It says 5 cents in really small words. So again, what I like to do is I like to rearrange these coins from largest to smallest. If I did that, my largest coins are dimes, and there are 2 of them. So I would write 2 dimes. I see 2 nickels on my page, and I see 4 pennies. So I would write 4 P's. The other thing, remember Mrs. Clark taught you, is to put a squiggle line between your different types of coins, and that helps you to remember to count a different way. For number 3, we're adding in a quarter this time. Remember, a quarter is worth 25 cents. So if you rearrange those, make sure you start with the highest amount of money, which would be your quarter, and then your dimes come next, then your nickels, then your pennies. Number 4 says, show 2 different ways to make 57 cents. What I would like you to do first and foremost is put a big squiggle line right down the middle. I want you to make 57 cents on this side and 57 cents on this side. Make sure you show that in 2 different ways. Enjoy your Explorations Day, boys and girls. Have fun working with your teachers today. Be well. Have a good afternoon.